I'm going to briefly walk you through this app. It's essentially a Coinbase clone with most of the core functionalities implemented, albeit some of the other functionalities are not. But I will work on those if time allows. And then again, add some functionality of my own. That is being able to purchase your own coins or your own crypto coins using a credit card or any other financial means. So without much ado, I'm going to start. You're going to be presented with this screen here. So the first thing is you will need something that supports MetaMask or any other wallets that allow authentication and transfer of coins. So you'll be greeted by this. I choose to use MetaMask. That's going to bring me to MetaMask and it's going to prompt me which account I want to use. In my case, I want to use this account here. Next, it's going to ask for some permissions and I'm going to grant it. And there you go. I am connected. Here's a wallet address. You can actually confirm the same here. Um, that's hex 011, hex 011. Ends with 90D6, 90D6. So yes, we are connected to the correct account. So what you can see here in the portfolio balance, you can see that we have 154,986 dollars and 76 cents. That's from all of this computed as per today's market value. And when I looked them up last, I actually updated the values, I believe yesterday. So they should be somewhat current. Um, so for example, for the Bitcoin, the unit price of one Bitcoin is that. For Ethereum, the unit price is that. For Solana, the unit price is this. So I'm using Sanity as my content management system, which is also maintaining a database for me. So if I need to make changes, should the price change or the symbol, I can do that on the fly and just publish. So back to the main app. So what you saw there was a computation of all these assets as per their dollar value. 7 Bitcoins, 46 souls, and 13 Ethereums. So I'm going to go ahead and let's try sending one soul. So right here, I have an account that I've created just to receive. It's called a receive account. And I'll just go ahead and dismiss this. For now, you'll see that it has 5 souls, 2 Ethereums, and 0 Bitcoins. So I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to transfer one soul to that address. Right now I have 46 soul, notice that. And in the receiver account, notice I have 5. So we're expecting this to turn to 6 and we're expecting this to drop to 45. All right, let's try that. We're going to get a dialog as the transfer is being processed by Metamask. It's still going to ask you to authorize the transaction. It's going to show you the gas fees and all of that associated with the transfer. So there you go, one soul. That's a gas fee estimated. So you're transferring one sol plus a gas fee, essentially. Confirm, and this is going to continue waiting until the transaction is successful. You should get a prompt from Metamask when it's done. Transfer successful. I wonder where that prompt went. Anyway, let's go confirm. First of all, the balance will drop, not significantly because sold are not worth that much. But let's first confirm this. Fetching. There we go, 45 as you expected. Let's check the receiver account. 6 as we expected. Now, you can also receive funds to either your Solana. Here's the address, you can copy it, or you can scan the QR code. It's just going to yield this hex value here. Same to these other Bitcoins that I have at the moment. I have 45 Solanas that just dropped. Bitcoin 7, Ethereum 13. So let's say I switch to Bitcoin and I want to receive in Bitcoin. So there you go, a QR code and a different hex for your Bitcoin address. Now, this should make a significant impact on this. We're expecting this to drop by 1,900. So let's go ahead and transfer that to that same address and continue. We should expect another prompt from Metamask. There we go. Now, yep, 1 Bitcoin. So 1 Bitcoin plus the gas fee, confirm. Transferring. Well, notice since this is Next.js, it's just using routing to, it's all internal routing to actually handle this model here. You don't have to go to a different page. And once you click out, closes the model and actually wipes out the parameters. Now, it should recalculate the balance. And if you realized, we've gone down, the balance has gone down. So basically that's it. I would like to disconnect from my wallet. That should take me to the main screen, and that is basically it. But if you are interested, let me switch accounts to this account here, and I want to see further details on etherscan. I want to see what I just did. So here is a transfer that we did. This is a Ethereum transfer that we did. And 3 minutes ago, this is a Solana transfer that we did. Says it was successful from this account, which is this account here. If you look at the hexes to this account, which is a receiver account, again, if you look at the hexes, hold on. Um, oh, sorry, this is the address for the Bitcoin. So yeah, that's correct. So if you want further details on that, you can actually view them on etherscan. And that will be it for this demo. Going back, logging in, because I'm already logged in on MetaMask. Can actually show you that. Dismiss. Let's switch accounts to Coinbase. If you notice I'm connected, that's why it quickly connected to my app. So yeah, that's it. I hope this demo helped understand some of the workings. So there's a lot here that doesn't work. This is also just data that I populated, and also the chat does not work, and also this doesn't work. And so as part of my to-do is to implement the buy and sell. So that is going to be coming up soon. Thank you for your time. And be sure if you liked this video to give it a thumbs up. Thank you.